विसावा उपरांत तुमकां येवकार. आदर आतिथ्य आयटी पर्यटन आनी शेतकी मळार गुंतवणूक करपाक मुखेलमंत्री प्रमोद सावंत हांणी गुंतवणूकदारांक उलो घाला. 5,000 क्षमतेचे अधिवेशन केंद्र तशेंच आंतरराष्ट्रीय कौशल्य केंद्र गोंयांत उबे करपाचो मनोदय तांणी उक्तायलो. श्यामाप्रसाद मुखर्जी स्टेडियमांत 3 दीस चलपी वायब्रंट गोवा ग्लोबल एक्सपो आनी शिखर परिशदाच्या उक्तावण सुवाळ्यात ते उलयताले. आरडी एक्सपो खातीर पणजेच्यान विलियम रॉड्रिगीस.
आप सभी लोगों का मैं स्वागत करता हूं. तुमका सगळ्यांक येवकार दिता. Goa is the smallest state of India in terms of its area, but it's rich in cultural history. Its beautiful beaches, churches, temple and wildlife sanctuary attracts the tourists from all parts of the world, and the people of Goa are known for their warm hospitality. Irrespective of the caste, creed and religion, we all live harmoniously. This event gives an opportunity to interact over the next 3 days and begin the journey that will help in the economic growth of our state and country as a whole. It was vision of our late Chief Minister, Mr. Manohar Parrikar, to promote Goa as an investment destination that was an instrumental in organizing this mega event. To the 2,000 Indian business delegates, 500 foreign delegates representing 52 countries, 85 international speakers and 45 international business partners, and to everyone present here, welcome to Goa, welcome to Vibrant Goa. The Investment Promotion Board is established to facilitate approval from the Government of Goa. The single window system will ensure the speedy processing of the investment proposal and investor facilitation. I can assure our international delegates who wish to invest in Goa that your proposal will be cleared within 30 days. I must mention here that we have the 20 industrial estates in Goa, and with a conducive business environment existing in Goa, we are looking forward to improve our performance in the sectors such as hospitality, tourism, IT services, besides the agro-based sector, keeping in mind the goal of sustainable development. The new export policy for the state is also being prepared in under prompt export of the manufactured good and surplus agriculture produce. Goa's economic growth is driven by the strong performance of industrial sector such as tourism, IT and pharmaceuticals. The closure of mining, however, has disturbed in the entire ecosystem of allied industries, including the logistics suppliers, truck companies and barge owner, as well as the service provider. We are positive that the solution to this will be found very soon. The Goa IT policy focuses on infrastructure development, fiscal investments, governance and human resource development. It promises the time-bound approval of the investment and incentives within 90 days period and aims to create 10,000 jobs to local. Goa is hosting 36th National Games in 2020. We are coming up with the convention center at Dona Paula with the capacity of accommodating 5,000 delegates having all the modern amenities. Goa is the permanent venue of the International Film Festival of India. The 50th edition of IFFI will be held in Goa from 20th to 28th November this year. The second Greenfield International Airport is being developed in Mopa, Goa, with an annual capacity to handle 30 million passengers by phase 4. The airport will have an integrated passenger terminal building, air traffic control, cargo terminal, ancillary facilities for the processing and storage. The first phase of airport will expected to start by September 2022.